The sister of a Baldwin County woman who police say was shot several times by her own nephew was hoping for a higher bond than what was handed down today. 18-year-old Preston Northern choosing not to speak before a judge set his bond at $31,000. Baldwin County reporter Michael Warwick at that hearing this afternoon. And Michael, the victim's family still trying to understand why the teenager allegedly shot his aunt so many times.
Right, Byron. Police say the motive was a robbery, and the victim's sister wants this teen to remain behind bars, telling me Northern shot his own aunt 8 times. With his arms crossed for much of his hearing, 18-year-old Preston Northern's bond set at $31,000.
We think that there's a lot of questions that still have to be answered.
Northern facing robbery and assault charges after police say he shot his aunt, Leanne Thomas, during an attempted robbery at her Robertsdale home. Her sister, Kimberly Jones, tells Fox 10 News 8 bullets struck Thomas in her leg and hip.
There was some kind of grudge, that it was premeditated. There's just things that don't add up.
The charges and the bond not going far enough for Jones, who was at Northern's hearing.
I don't think it's okay for him to even have a chance to be walking the streets. I don't think there should be any chance that he can get back to my sister and hurt her again. Thomas, who's already been through 2 surgeries following the shooting, allegedly devastated to hear it was her own nephew behind the trigger. She's going to have a long road to recovery. She's in a whole lot of pain.
The DA's office says those bond amounts were set at the preset amounts, given Northern is a first-time offender. He also faces a reckless endangerment charge because when he allegedly shot his aunt, she was lying in bed with her 3-year-old son. Thankfully, he is okay and was not struck by any bullets. If Northern does make bond, the judge requires him to be on house arrest, which will likely mean he will wear a GPS ankle monitor if he does make bond. We're live in Fairhope tonight. I'm Michael Warwick, Fox 10 News.